Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making pumpkin. I will be cooking pumpkins. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, if you're new, please subscribe, like the video for me, thank you, and please do enjoy. Here in this video I'm going to cut the pumpkin so that I make them ready for boiling. Normally the easy and fastest way is to just wash your pumpkins outside, then chop the way you want and just add with your with them just the way they look right there. I'm going to add in some water into a pot. Then I am going to add in my pumpkins that I have just finished washing. Then I'm gonna cover with the lid and leave the pumpkin to boil. After 10 to 15 minutes it will be boiling. I'll check if it's ready, then I would cover it and leave it to continue cooking. Normally it's so easy to cook the pumpkin. 20 to 25 minutes the pumpkin will be ready. There I will be taking out my pumpkin and going to mash my pumpkin. I'm going to remove that, but you can also eat that because I've had it's so good in fiber. This is one of the healthiest vegetables I normally have in my house. So delicious. The pumpkins are so good. You can make them salads, they can be your side dish, or you can always eat with your meat. And you can also replace them as starch. Then there I've just finished peeling and I'm going to add in 1 spoon of butter. Then I'm going to mash all the butternut in there and the pumpkins. You can use pumpkins or butternut. That's so yummy. And I'm gonna smash everything in there, mix, then everything would be ready.